This video we're talking about this outdoor battery solar Wi-Fi camera. So we'll tell you how to connect this one to the Smart Life app, and also we're talking about the Alexa function. So first of all, when we get this product, we need to turn on this camera. Okay, and we wait. And see, you can check the red LED light is faster blink. So we open this Smart Life app and add device. Secure video sensor category. Select the smart Wi-Fi camera and connect next. And then we will pop up this QR code. So we will use the camera lens to fetch the QR code. So some customer send us that they cannot scan the QR code successfully. So here is the correct way to scan the QR code. Make sure this camera is put on the table, and we use this mobile phone QR code snatching. You move this and hold for a second and wait. If not successful, and move this. Just like try several times. So we will do it. And now it's scanned successfully, and click a heard prompt. And then you will hear this voice. Now it's connected.
I found smart device 3.
Okay, connect down. So this is the first screen of this camera. We have the screenshot, speak, record, playback, color, and buzzer. Of this buzzer, we have the built-in sound in this camera, but it's not sounds automatically because we consider that will be disturb the neighborhood. So we will just you need to open it by yourself via app. It means that someone part this camera, and you app will get notification, and you check the live view and find some burglars or some unwelcome visitors. You can turn on this buzzer, and you can turn on this buzzer to scare off these burglars. So this function is very useful. And also you can check the basic functions. And also we add the recording, that we have added the event recording and non-stop recording. So some customer feedback the power consumption very quickly because they choose the non-stop recording. If you choose the non-stop recording, just can work in 20 hours only. So it's very fast, the battery consumption. So we need to choose the event recording. And now next is the Alexa function. Alexa function that we just can wake up this camera to check what's happening out on the other side. So just like this. Alexa, show me the smart device 3.
Okay.
So this is the live view that's shown on the Alexa.